Mama Mita, and today my video is about how to check your tires. So tires are very important when you're going down the road. You want to make sure that they are in good condition. They can become very dangerous if they're not, you know. That's one of the things that my dad always talked about, was making sure the tires were in good condition. You had good threads on your tires, you had good pressure in your tires. Now, if you don't know how much pressure your tires take, they usually, when you get your new tires, they'll put a sticker on the side of your door and they'll tell you that you need 35 pounds of pressure. So we have a little tire gauge, and if you don't have one of these, you can pick these up at the auto parts store. They're pretty inexpensive. I don't think they're that much. And then you would just come over here and you would take your little thing here off. And you push that back down. And it's just like you go check your bicycle tire. Same thing. Unless we got a dud here. Uh-oh. There we go. All right. So that one comes back. It should be 35. So if you look at that, where that's coming out at, it needs a little bit because it's a little teeny bit low. Well, no, it's probably okay. 35, they got that mark. Let's do that one more time. Okay, I think that's fine. Now, here's the thing. You want to make sure you put these little things back on, and then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to walk around the car to each tire, and you're going to check the pressure on each tire. Now, I know it's a pain in the butt to do all this thing, but this is really important, because if these tires are not the same amount of pressure all the way around, all four tires should be at 35. You know, if they're not, and one is sitting really lower, you need to put some air in there. Because if you got some weight in these vans and you're driving with one or two tires that are low, that's just not good. That's very, very dangerous, because you know, you could be all over the road wobbly, and if you got too much air in the tire, that's very unsafe too, because then you could slide easier, and it wouldn't work well with this the rain on the road and stuff. You just wouldn't have the kind of traction.
Do you save gas? Do you save gas? Do you save gas when you have the tires aired up?
Yes, when all the tires are the same amount at 35, I'm saving myself gas. Now, if you have the tires that are lower, then you're going to be eating more gas. You're going to be using it, you know, like, you don't be doing that. And you don't need to have it really high up on the pressure, because that's dangerous also, especially, you know, if you're going down the freeway and stuff. Try to keep your speed, you know, at the normal speed, and don't be doing all this crazy maneuvering around and stuff like that. So that's how you check your pressure on your tires. If you like my video today, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a good day.